Kuringana na mukarekereria kamiti-ini ya guthingatithia thayu na urumwe bururi-ini NCIC Dr. Samuel Kobia maita maingi nguii na ukabira icungagiririo ni miario ya rumena. Kobia agitariria wirutiri wa kamiti ino hari kung'ethanira na aria mataraunira tunua twa waithige ihinda-ini riri urugari wa kiuteti wambatirite.
So many cases of hatred, and all the time, as the politicians say, accept and move on. Accept and move on is not a concept in reconciliation. So as we move forward towards these elections, we want a true reconciliation moment in Kenya.
Hate mongers should know that they are being put on notice and they are warned, and that they can't continue to hide behind social media and they do things they are doing with impunity.
Hindi ya igongona ria kuruguria tabarira ya guthingatithia thayu bururi-ini unyitaniri-ini na gikundi kia ngwataniro ya mabururi ma Ruraya, Kobia ugite ni mambikite mihango ya kuhingura ceceni icigo-ini itiganite kuria muingi uriandikithagia riboti cia guthitanga aria makuruhanio na miario ya rumena.
Those areas where we want to start establishing these centers are the ones that through our mapping have been identified as hot spots. So this will start with this.
It is important to note that the most vulnerable in our society, being children, women, the elderly, and persons living with disabilities, continue to bear the burden of this conflict, which is heaviest on them.
Ikundi ya guthingatithia thayu hindi ya githurano kuma ngwataniro ya mabururi ma Ruraya ikiuga nikihotorete kunyita itemi hari gutigirira githurano kinene ni giatabanio na njira ya thayu na waragania.
We have been a long-standing partner to Kenya. We've just upgraded the relationship with Kenya to be a strategic partner, and so for us it was really important to say we need to help and support Kenya in this process.
General elections held since Kenya's transition from a single to a multi-party state in 1991 have been characterized by cycles of violence that oftentimes takes an ethnic dimension that regrettably result in loss of lives, injuries, displacements of people, destruction of property and infrastructure, among others.
Mugini uritie witheme kugayukanio ni Ateti na mithingi ya gikabira. Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ikiuga riria ngahiha ciatumuka bururi woyaga miaka iri gucokereria haria wari.
Unashamedly, some leaders are seen to manipulate vulnerable populations to engage in violence by paying handouts, appealing to emotional persuasion, and providing drugs and alcohol, among other things, in total disregard of the resultant consequences.
I've been asked several times, why is NCIC so obsessed with hate speech? And my answer is very simple. Because in history, there is no genocide or mass killings that have not been preceded by hate speech.
Kamiti ya NCIC ni iriga gwikirira mukana uhuthiri wa ciugo imwe ihinda-ini riri urugari wa kiuteti wambatirite. Ciugo ici ari ni hamwe na madoadoa, chunga kura na hatupa nguii ikirikana ni cia gucogera nguii.